Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start now. Confirm your laptop accepts an M.2 NVMe drive and the physical length, for example 2280 versus 2242. Backup data and make a bootable USB image of your OS so you can clone or reinstall. Power down, unplug, and remove the battery if the design allows. Ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching metal. Open the service panel with the correct screwdriver. Keep screws organized and identify the M.2 slot and mounting screw. With the panel off, align the M.2 NVMe connector and insert the drive at about a 20 to 30 degree angle until it seats. Then rotate down and secure with the mounting screw, tight enough to hold, not to crush the PCB. Once installed, reconnect power and boot to your cloning tool or the USB installer. If cloning, verify partition sizes and alignment for performance. If fresh installing, delete old partitions, create new ones, and install the OS. Make sure firmware settings use ensthy/NVMe. Power up and enter BIOS or UEFI immediately. Set the new NVMe as the primary boot device and confirm NVMe mode or ensthy is enabled so the controller recognizes the drive. Boot into the OS, install SSD manufacturer tools, update firmware, and run a health check and speed benchmark to confirm performance. If the drive is not detected, turn off, reseat the module and mounting screw, try a different slot or adapter, and test with another known good NVMe. This single check solves most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.